In Mukunda Mala Stotra, it is said, Nahum Vande Tava Sarana Yurdando Madanda Heto Kumbhipa Kangurumapi Hari Narakam Napanetum Ramya Rama Mrudu Tanulata Nandani Navirantam Bhave Bhave Hudaya Bhavani Bhava Yam Bhavantam. Mukunda Mala Stotra. Do you understand? He said, Oh Lord Hari, I don't want this material enjoyment. I don't pray to you for deliverance from Naraka, from the hell. Understand me? For this purpose I am not offering prayers at your lotus feet. I don't want that angelic human available in the heaven. Do you understand me? To be embraced by their soft arms. No, I don't want that thing. Only for that purpose I am not offering prayer at your lotus feet, O Lord Hari. I want to life after life, bhavatad bhakti rahetu tvai, only to serve your lotus feet and give you pleasure. In spite of all suffering, all difficulties, all, what you say, rebukes, all insults, all miseries, whatever may come, I have to tolerate and serve your lotus feet. Do you understand? Nandhanam nandhanam. Na sundarim kavitam bha jagadisha kamai mama janmani janmani sure bhavata bhakti rahitu. Mahaprabhu's prayer, you know it. Do you understand? This is the only prayer, this is the only desire. Nastha dharmena vasunichayena iva kamapabhoge jad bhavyam tadahotu bhavan purva karmanurupam etat pratyam mama bahumatum janma janmantarepi tatapadam maruva jugagata nischala bhakti rastu. This is Mukunda Mala Stotra. Oh Lord, I don't want material opulences. You understand? Basu means what you say. What is English? Invaluable gems, like invaluable gems. You understand? Ratna, Basu. I don't want it. I have no list of desire. In my subtle corner of my heart, no desire for material enjoyment. I don't ask you for destroying my karmic reaction also. I am not asking you that. Do you understand? I never offer prayer for this. Please destroy my karmic reaction. No. What I have, what is reaction may come to me, what I have done, my previous prarabdha karma, let it come to me. Yes, I don't request you and offer prayer to you, please destroy my karmic reaction. No. Whatever suffering, whatever happiness or suffering according to my prarabdha karma, I deserve to get, let me have it. Let me have it. Do you understand? But only one prayer I have. What is that? Tatpadam baru ajugapata nischala bhakti rastu. Only. Let me have this Nischala Bhakti, unalloyed devotion at your lotus feet. This is only prayer. No other prayer I have. Dharmartha kama mukhya sunecha mama kadachana tathapada pankadasyadho jivitam diyatang mama mukhya salokya sarupyan prarthayena dharadhara ishamihi mahabhago karunyam tava subrataha narda pancharatra. Do you understand? Narda Pancharatra. Oh Lord, I don't want dharma, artha, kama, moksha. Follow me? I don't want this thing. No need of at all. Even also, I don't want these four types of mukti. Sarupyo, salokyo, sarsti, samipyo. Understand? Understand? Four types. Mukti also I don't want. Only please give me a place at your lotus feet. This is my only desire. Only think of me as a speck of dust at your lotus feet. Just give such a tiny place at lotus feet as a speck of dust. No other desire I have. Understand? This is what is inside. That Lord will taste you, yes.